Hey fighters, welcome to Contractor Fight TV. What are you telling yourself every day? What are the messages that you are playing in your head over and over and over? See, most of us, most people have 2,000 to 3,000 thoughts per hour that run through their brain, and many of those thoughts are unconscious. They just kind of happen. We're on autopilot. And I want to encourage you to take control and be intentional about the things that you feed your brain, because what we believe and what we act upon actually comes to fruition in our life, okay? And so if you want to make more money, then you have to be feeding yourself intentional messages around making money. Like, hey, I add a lot of value, I'm worth money, I'm this and that. Where most guys, most contractors, have this head trash rolling around that tells them, oh, my prices are too high, the competition is, cheaper than me, and they're unlicensed. And we start feeding ourselves all these bullshit messages that sabotage our success. And the reason I'm doing this video is the average home improvement contractor only makes like $55,000, $60,000 a year. That is a disgrace. That's a total disgrace for the value that we bring, the services that we provide, how we make people's lives better, we make their homes and offices safer, all these other things. Guys, $50,000 to $60,000, $55,000 to $60,000 a year is no way to run a business, okay? And the very first thing that you can do to take control of your personal income is start telling yourself the right messages every day. Because what you tell yourself, you will ultimately believe when you act upon it. All right, so let me give you an example. Every morning I write in a journal that I have, I literally write, I am a magnet for money, success, and successful people. And it's no coincidence that my income grows each year. It's no coincidence that the people that I'm building relationships with and the business partners I have and all those other things are growing each and every year, because I tell myself every single day, and often multiple times a day, that I am a magnet for that sort of stuff. So guys, listen, don't sabotage yourself, okay? Don't be like the average guy, the average contractor who allows the outside noise of the world and all the things telling you why you can't make money, why you can't succeed, and things like that. Okay, take control, be intentional, be smart about what you feed your brain. And when you do that, you will see that over time, you start acting in conjunction with those beliefs, and you'll be consistent with those beliefs and those things that you're telling yourself. Right now, so many guys are struggling because their unconscious is taking over, okay? They're just on autopilot, going through life, believing whatever they hear, replaying these thousands of messages a day that are not setting them on a track to success. All right, so I encourage you to take control, write down a couple daily affirmations, mantras, whatever the hell you want to call it. Look in the mirror and tell yourself, you're a bad mofo, and I know one guy who looks in the mirror and he says to himself every day, you are a $20,000 dude. And what he's telling himself is, you sell $20,000 a day. You make $20,000 a day. And I've watched his income increase over time to where he's pretty damn close to doing that. All right, so smoke that for a while. All right, have a great day. Thanks for being here on Contractor Fight TV. Don't forget to head to thecontractorfight.com and get on our email list. We got a lot of cool daily tips and things like that come out that'll help you grow a stronger business and take control of this shit up here. All right, it's a beautiful day here in Colorado. Come visit me sometime. We'll see you.